In this video, I will show you how to add GIF in Elementor. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, my actual WordPress website. So let's head over right here to a new tab and let's search for a GIF that we want to add. So for example, let's search in here for GIF. Now let's head over to our GIF right here. You can also use tenor GIF if you want as well. Now in here, let's add in here an actual GIF. For example, let's put in here flowers. And you can see some GIFs related to the search bar that you have. So for example, in this case, let's choose this cute flowers. Let's click on it. And now you can click on this embed option. In here, make this responsive and click on this copy code. And then once you have copied this particular code, you can head back right here to your Elementor. Click on this plus icon, click on Flexbox, and then choose your structure. And in here, let's head over and add in here a widget. So let's search in here for a widget of HTML. Let's add this right here. And then let's put in here the HTML code that we have copied. And then as you can see, it's been added in here as well in this case. So we can actually just head over and then just put in here the GIFs that you want. And you can also resize it if you want to as well. Once you're done with that, click on this update right here and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.